Today we are going to do a marinade just for some chicken thighs that we're going to put on the barbecue. We're going to just get some of this thyme broken up a little bit, just like that. We're going to do a little bit of rosemary, just a chunk of it here. Break it up. So this is going to be a slight marinade. Not that, you know, thighs don't really need a marinade, but if you want other flavors in it, then you can. So there's that. I'm going to try and put some sage in here. Just a couple of leaves. There we go, 1 and 2 leaves of sage. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get probably 2 cups. Then what we're going to do is get some zesty Italian or Italian dressing. Shake it up well. I think we'll start off with 1 cup. Just depends on how many chicken thighs you have or how much chicken. This is good for any chicken. I like to cook this chicken. I like to cook chicken breast right in the sauce while you cut it up into chunks if you're going to do like fajitas or something. So we will throw that in the bag once we have the chicken in. So we'll fold the bag up just slightly like that so that you can get the chicken in now. We'll go grab the chicken. Alright, so I have the chicken here. Rip it open. We're going to place it in the bag nice and neat. Okay, so we're going to pour in 1 cup of Italian dressing. For now. Then we need 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to get that poured out here. Alright, so there's 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Now we'll throw in basically all the herbs, spread it out a little bit. Alright, fold your lid back. We'll close it up. I'm going to check to see if that's going to be enough liquid to cover everything. We might add a little bit more, double the recipe basically. Let's see. Well, this also has bones in it, so you got to make sure you don't pierce the bag with the bones. Now, I think we're going to add just a little bit more. So we've added basically 1.5 cups of the Italian dressing, and we've added about 1/3 cup of the Worcestershire sauce. So we'll let that sit for a few hours and come back when it's time to cook them.
Alright guys, so we're back now. We just removed the chicken thighs out of the fridge. They've been marinating now for about 6 to 8 hours. We're going to place them nicely in this tin foil container and get them ready to cook. I'm going to throw in all of the thyme and the other herbs. Also, we're going to dump in a little bit of the marinade for the bottom of the tray. So the chicken is just about ready here. We're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And we'll put it in the oven for about 25 to 45 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright guys, if you've liked this video, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the like button. And if you want to see all the latest videos, make sure you click on that bell.